welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this content vlog is we're going to unbox this iPhone 13. To our YouTube channel. So this content vlog is we're going to unbox this iPhone 13 but Promax. This is Promax, but yeah. Okay, first this is iPhone 13 Promax and this is Sierra Blue and this is
gray.
This is graphite or graphite? Graphite. Yeah. And we're going to open it, and we got confused a little bit to how to open it earlier, but this one we're good. This will be satisfying.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, and the other
it's
one.
so beautiful. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go, yeah, baby.
Wow.
What? So awesome.
Okay, so we're going to. What did you do? Okay, so we're going to open it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. What did you do? Okay, 1. We're supposed to open it together.
Kasi ang tagal mo eh.
1, 2, 3.
Ito na guys, awesome.
Careful, Gracie. Mahulog mo.
Sabi ko sa isip ko.
Okay, do you know how to put it out?
Hindi ko alam kung
Do you know how to put it out?
alam ko. Ito guys! Nahihirapan mo ko. Ito guys!
Highlight. Go it out.
What's this? Wow! Awesome! Open ko na!
That's the cover.
Title, come here.
Wow! Ang ganda guys! Oh!
This is beautiful.
Charger niya. Beautiful! Charger niya. So beautiful!
Okay. Wow! The eyes is much bigger, look, than the iPhone 12. Actually.
So, yung iPhone ka gaya. Compare mo. Nada. Compare the iPhone 12.
Wow! Really? Looks really.
This is pretty. This is pretty. Okay, so this one is much bigger.
This one is.
And compare the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13. They're like,
oh, they're both the same.
yeah, they're like the same size. They're the same size.
Let's put it.
Okay, so I
Like
think
this
the
basic
Apple logo got bigger. Look at it, right?
I don't know.
It's bigger.
This is
Oh,
iPhone
it's
12.
bigger.
They have
Look at it.
charger.
It's
They
bigger.
have charger.
No, it's not.
No, it's bigger, Mom.
See charger.
Bigger ba?
It got bigger.
Some
The iPhone
charger.
logo got bigger.
Same.
It got bigger.
This
Okay,
is,
so
it's so big. Big.
the one of the most excited part is removing this one. Whoa! Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Go! Ganyan mo.
Wow!
Wow! Iano natin dito.
I can't.
Can I told you?
Really send it so.
Hi guys! How are you? How are you?
Unboxing to or comedy?
back to my YouTube channel.
What is this one?
How to open this?
No.
Gusto ko na malaman yung password. Ay, charge pa lang to.
Okay. I'll try to open it.
Is it
But
charge
by
pa
the
lang
way,
to?
Tati niya na nga, bahala ka dyan.
this one. Get it? I think there's no like the head. What's that called again?
I think ito yung head. I think ito yung
Oh, Dresha, di ba bala to, Fred? Allergy.
I know.
Yeah. She's allergy.
Wow! Walang ulo!
Adaptor. You call it adaptor.
That's back to the unboxing. There is like one.
One
There's
plate.
one like this. Okay,
Papahanap
so
ko yan eh.
this is like the this one.
You forgot.
And there's no adapter.
What's this, Mama?
There's
Is
no
this a book?
This is not a book.
Oh, it's a book.
It's not a book. It's not a book.
Oh!
Okay. It's just wow. I can't concentrate at the vlog. I can just concentrate at the eyes. Oh.
What? The eyes?
I'm getting new to it though. I'm getting new to the eyes.
I like the eyes. And it's pretty smooth right now. I think it's made of apple. And that's why it's so apple. Apple. I think it's made of apple. The skin of apple. Then they did that. I think the apple is very what's right now. It's this mini book.
Bible is getting messy.
Bakit ang clear? Yung sa akin, sira-sira na.
Oh.
Or is it clear? Like, I cannot do this.
I like
do
the
this.
color of
I cannot
Sierra
do
blue.
this.
Because it's like so light, but it has a little dark, so it's like the oceans. Is this sea or ocean or beach
I napick it.
color? Okay, so I think this will open. I think this is 100% or it's just low back. I think. But let's try. Is it open? Is it open? Is it open? I think it's low back.
I don't know.
Try to open it.
It's not. I think it's you need to charge it.
Try to open.
Oh, it's open! It's open. Wow.
We need to
It's getting a little darker because it's kind of like getting on.
It's charged. Can I see?
Look at it! It got cursive.
Whoa!
Cursive
It got
R.
cursive. What does it say?
Hello.
It says hello.
It says hello in like different languages.
Hello. Let me take a picture.
Doon ka siya yun, hindi ka makita.
Let me take a
Gulo nyo.
picture.
Lighter,
Picture
mahulog.
agad. Pumili ka
Okay.
ng bago sa
Okay, let's
Ang dumi
swipe
na ba?
to open.
Ang dirty Dresha.
Wow!
Hello, dirty. Daming,
It's English.
daming
Oh, let's
fingerprint.
say English. I'm the Saratan.
This one. Okay, let's swipe it up.
Let's use English.
I think you will choose some languages, and we're going to pick English, of course,
English,
because
yeah.
we can't understand any of these languages.
But I can see a little bit of Italian. Yeah,
Okay,
maybe.
select your country of.
Let's go!
I'm gonna pick. What am I supposed to gonna pick? Because I don't know in this.
You are just
Am I gonna pick Philippines?
no.
This is
no.
Philippines.
Pick
Philippines.
English. Where? Philippines. I didn't see
Didn't click Philippines.
Why is there no Philippines here?
Okay, am I gonna set up manually or this one? Is it the swipe
Mama,
up
there's no
manually?
Philippines.
This one? Is it this one?
I can do it.
Manually.
The tail. I can use.
Okay, accessibility options.
No, huwag niyo pa gagawin mahula.
Paano yung apple?
Nagtampo na yung
Bakit
isa.
hindi ko pa Bakit hindi na? Right there, hindi mo kaya hanapin yung Filipino. Wala nga ang Filipino dito eh. Walang Filipino, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Kulit na ito.
Tampo na siya.
Let's use English now.
Lytel, come here.
Speak English. Yeah. Search for Philippines.
Wait lang, kakanapin ko ngayon.
Ang tagal nyo gulo nyo.
Okay. Is this a, what am I going to do?
Ang
there?
tagal-tagal nyo.
Sorry.
Ano ba yan?
I'm a folk. I'm a crew.
What am I gonna do here?
Sabaw.
Ano na, okay na yan.
Okay.
Anong gagawin ko dito? Asan yung Philippines?
Okay, so
200
we're kind of done for unboxing it. So and we're just gonna cut this part because we're gonna like put our accounts yet. So I think we're gonna have a part 2. So bye still. Bye.
Bye.